Hello creatives, and welcome back to my channel, The Creative Cash Lab. My name is Tapiwa Temere, and on this channel we learn, create, hustle and earn. To all my subscribers, I want to thank you for subscribing on my channel. And to those who have not yet subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you also be notified. Have you ever heard that you can earn money while you shop or by just doing some simple assignments? If you haven't, or if you have heard about it, yet you don't know how to become a team of such a lovely company, today I'm here. I'm going to tell you all that you need to hear, and I'm also going to teach you how to sign up and start evaluating brands. When you are an evaluator, others can say you are a mystery shopper, others can say a field agent. It's just one and the same thing. But when we are doing this job, we don't call ourselves mystery shoppers or field agents. We simply say we are evaluators. So for being an evaluator, you'll be having a big responsibility of showing brands exactly what their customers experience every day. You get the chance to tell brand owners how good or bad their services are. And you also get the chance to share your personal thoughts on how they can do better to make their brands reach more people and also to make their customers happy. The best part that I love for being an evaluator is you get paid to do the kind of things you are already doing every day. I'm talking about going shopping, comparing brands, and making gut level choices about what to buy and what not to buy, and also what to leave on the shelves. So I'm going to show you the app that you can use to register to become an evaluator for the company that I have been talking about. I'm still using this app, creatives, and I don't even see the reason why I need to leave it. I'm using it every time because I still need to earn from this company. Can you believe that this company usually pays you in euros? Imagine being paid in euros for just performing some tasks as a mystery shopper, just going to eat, just going to give some reviews. Creatives, when you sign up, they will ask you about your location and everything. Please, 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 creatives, make sure you use the correct location. Don't lie about your location, because if you tell them that you live in another place while you don't live there, they are going to give you assignments according to the location that you have given them. So it's going to be a challenge for you to perform those tasks if they are far away from where you stay. So please just use your correct location so that you get the correct assignments which are near where you live. In that way, you avoid cost of going to perform a task which is far from where you live. And also, when you open this app, remember you are going to write a small test to see if you are capable of being an evaluator for their company. It's not a hard test, creatives. So please go download the app. I'm going to show you how you sign up. I'm also going to tell you a few tricks that you can use for you to get accepted. So creatives, don't lose this chance. Don't waste this chance. Let's go to Google Play Store. We are going to download the app that I'm telling you, and then we start to sign up so that we can end together. I hope by end of this month, I hope by end of November, I'm going to see some people coming to the comment section with their proof of payments and also telling us their experiences on how they were doing it and how they got paid, because I want to see everyone smiling by the end of November. Happy hustling, creatives. This is the app that I've been talking about, ISC/CX. Go to Google Play Store and download ISC/CX. I'm going to open mine so that I will show you the default page and also how to sign up on this app. This is the default page of the app ISC/CX. So if you're a new user, it will ask you want to become an evaluator, apply now, and then you press apply now and you start to apply. You put all the required information. As for me, I'm already in the system, so I'll just go and put my username and password, then I will log into the app. So creatives, download the app, apply. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. I'll gladly help you.